Hey guys, Matt Lloyd here. We are here in the Bahamas about to begin our Titanium Mastermind for 2014 at the Atlantis Resort. We're actually starting tonight, so over the next few hours, we actually have 350 people arriving from all over the world. So what I want to do in this video is I want to take you behind the scenes and show you what goes into putting on a mastermind of this size. So the first step that we do is we select the country that we're going to do the mastermind in. We've done masterminds in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, Fiji, Costa Rica, all over the world. So the first thing we do is we choose the country. We usually have 4 or 5 different countries we're looking at. Once we've chosen the country, so in this case we chose the Bahamas, the next job is I actually fly there and I get to go and test out all the resorts. I get to stay in the resorts, I test out the food, the activities, I see how they treat their guests, I make sure it's the right size for our type of mastermind. And once I've chosen the resort, then the negotiations begin. So the resort I settled on here was the Atlantis Resort. I'd never been here before, I'd actually heard about it. So when I arrived, I was, immediately just amazed by the sheer size of it. It's going to have at least 3,000 rooms, and behind me, I don't know if you can see all of that, but there's this enormous water park. It's the biggest water park I've ever seen. So as soon as I saw this place, I thought, that's it, that's where we're doing Titanium. So the next step is we start to plan out the entire mastermind minute by minute. Titanium's actually 3 days and 4 nights. It's actually really 5 days when you think about it. People arrive and of course the day that they leave. So it's a long mastermind, there's a lot happening, we have a lot of speakers coming in, so it's really important that we schedule everything, and we literally do break it down minute by minute. We map everything out, we know where everyone's got to be at certain times, and we get the entire team on the same page so that when we actually show up, everyone knows what's going on. So it's pretty crucial that the team behind me when I'm putting one of these on is a really great team, and I'm very fortunate in that regard. For example, we have our event planners. They handle all the negotiations of the registration process, all the little details like that. So they take care of that for me, and that's a huge burden off my shoulders. We bring in probably at least, for this mastermind, maybe 15 other staff. We have some of our managers here. We have a lot of our coaching team, our traffic coaches fly down as well, so they can actually meet some of their clients. Our phone sales reps as well, we always make sure they're here. And of course, we always like to invite our top affiliates in the company, the people who are really making it happen. What's really important for these masterminds is the video and the photos that we get from them. So we fly in 3 or 4 videographers, and we also have a full-time photographer here. So they're capturing the entire mastermind, film, video, and then we're able to actually use that to promote upcoming masterminds in the future. We're able to put those photos and videos on our sales pages and allow our partners, our affiliate partners, to make more sales, because then people can see what does one of these masterminds look like. So they come in, we have our entire audio-visual crew. They come in too, they set up the stage, and the stage design is really, really important because that's going to be the look and feel of the actual mastermind when people are in the seminar room. So we build that. That usually takes about a day to put together, and the set came out looking really, really nice this time around. So we're very fortunate to have them on our team. Now, like I said before, this resort has over 3,000 rooms in it, and we actually have about 300 of those just for our Mo Titanium members. So the Atlantis staff, they know that we're coming and they're ready for us. Now tonight we've got something special planned. We're actually going to have the welcome dinner. We always like to have a big show just to kick off the event. There's going to be fire, there's going to be entertainment, so we're quite excited for that. Now, as far as the speakers go, the speakers are pretty much the most important thing with the mastermind, because these are the people that our clients are learning from. So for this Titanium Mastermind, and just to remind you, Titanium is focused on direct response marketing and business building. That's the overall theme. So we have speakers flying in who specialize in, for example, radio advertising. One of our speakers actually helped launch Priceline.com, a multi-billion-dollar company now, using radio ads. Another one of our speakers operated one of the biggest seminar businesses in the early 2000s in the USA. And at its peak, it had over 60,000 people attending every single month, and he was doing $250 million in revenue every year, $1 million net every week. So these are the kind of people that you get to learn from when you come to Titanium. We have other speakers talking about outsourcing, social media, anything to do with getting new clients and maximizing the value of your existing customers, we've got you covered. Now, the keynote speaker at this one is Kevin Harrington. Now, I'm sure you've heard of Kevin. He's actually on the hit TV shows Shark Tank. Okay, if you haven't seen Shark Tank, definitely watch it. But Kevin's coming in. This is a guy who sold over $4 billion worth of products through TV infomercials and other mediums. So he's going to be presenting, and we're actually going to be having a little miniature Shark Tank on stage here at Titanium, where 3 attendees get to actually come up on stage and pitch their business idea. And if Kevin likes it, he might invest. So as I mentioned before, Titanium is 3 days, but we don't spend 3 days in the seminar room. We actually break it up a little bit. So on day 2, that afternoon, we take a little bit of a break and we actually go and do activities. Now, we have a water park on our doorstep. So when it comes to activities, people have a lot of choice. Some of them will choose to go swimming with dolphins, so they'll be able to do that for the first time. There's also actually literally walking with sharks. You can actually walk in this big aquarium and you have these sharks swimming around you. There's snorkeling, there's going down, I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's a whole river path where you can go down on a tube. There's enormous slides. I mean, it's a playground. You can do whatever you want here, and it's a lot of fun. So as you can see, an incredible amount of planning and execution goes into actually putting on a mastermind, especially a mastermind of 350 people. These take at least half a year to put together. And the reason why we really go to the effort of making it special and really good is because, let's face it, people invested a significant amount of money to actually come to the Titanium Mastermind. And I want it to be something that they remember for a long, long time. Literally 10 years down the track, they remember their time at the Titanium Mastermind. So if you haven't been to a Titanium Mastermind yet, get to the next one. There's nothing more valuable for your business than getting around the leaders and the speakers here in our community and learning directly from them. So go ahead, get your Titanium Mastermind ticket. I look forward to seeing you at the next one and greeting you here, and we'll speak soon.